In this video we will teach you how to use PP8100 digital lock. How to active the digital lock. The factory default master pin code is 12345678. New master pin code set should be 6 to 12 digits. To activate the digital lock for first time use, lighten the keypad, press *1234567 # button. Enter new master pin code with 6 to 12 digits ended with # button. Confirm new master pin code ended with # button. Press * return to main menu. How to change master pin code. Simple pin code such as 123456 is not allowed. Lighten the keypad and press *. Enter the master pin code ended with # button. Press 1 and 9. Enter new master pin code with 6 to 12 digits ended with # button. Confirm new master pin code ended with # button. Press *, return to main menu. This digital lock allows you to add up to 10 users' pin code. To add user pin code, lighten the keypad, press *. Enter master pin code ended with # button. Press 11 with user code ended with # button. Enter user pin code with 6 to 12 digits ended with # button. Enter user pin code ended with # button. Press 3 * to return to main menu. To add keycard, lighten the keypad and press *. Enter master pin code ended with # button. Press 1, 3 followed by user pin code ended with # button. Present card over the lock. Press 3 * return to main menu. To add fingerprint, lighten the keypad, press *. Enter master pin code ended with # button. Press 1, 2 followed by user code ended with # button. Put your thumb on your fingerprint sensor and tap 8 times. Press 3 * return to main menu. To enable privacy mode, long press close button to double lock the door. Voice prompt inside deadlock enable. Micro USB emergency power supply. When battery voltage is too low, connect a 5-volt power supply via micro USB port at front. Unlock the door and replace batteries immediately. You can use mechanical keys in case fingerprint, password, or card fails to work. Häfele. Thinking ahead.